All right, gang, we just finished up. It was 2.5 hours, so it's about what I thought it would be. The moves I was freestyling there for a little while, 70, 80, something different options, with also options for you guys to go take and play jazz even more. But covered calf jumps, all 7 Spinal Hygiene moves as the primer. Some details on that, on how to apply it rather than just how to do it. I went over how I apply it in my own life and my own day-to-day, the amounts that I do, and then varying degrees of those. And then we got into 2 of the 5 patterns, which was crawl, press, plank, bridge, and about 40 or 50 options of movements there. And then hang and climb, and about 30 or 40 options there. It took about 2.5 hours. Again, the replay is downloading right now. These were instructional videos on these movements, which are colors to add to your palette, that I do personally and professionally if I'm ever working with people, regardless of what their case is. If we're going into the training essential, this is what I work with personally as well. I've handpicked these movements over 25 years of being in this business of healing and performance, because there's a lot of return of investment with very little input. It's very little time, but massive return, even if you're not super intentional or all there. It doesn't matter. It returns the investment in a very short period of time. So that's a way we can get a massive, massive gain, sustainability, but still live life instead of making your entire life just training all day, because we're not monks on the side of a mountain. And even them are turning to cocaine and methamphetamine because the strict nature of that is just too restrictive. And I love to see it. So again, when it gets downloaded, it'll be sent out to everyone as the replay, or whoever invests at this. When it goes to the after 21 days, the replay will go to the main library, and then I'm upending everything on my access to my library, and I'm going to do something kind of special. I'm working out the kinks on it to give people more access to them for greater amounts of time, at different tiers for different levels. So it's fair for everyone, but the single item investment will be more than what these lives are, always. And so if you want to take advantage within that 21-day window to get it, this particular one, my training, my movements, part 1, upper body and primer patterns, around over 80 moves, 2.5 hours of instructional movement, from calf jumps to all Spinal Hygiene moves, to crawl, press, plank, bridge, to hang and climb, and everything in between there, and ways to execute them. It's already downloaded. Boom. So I'm going to be sending that out now. But email me, info@TommyJohnIII.com. Let me know if anybody's interested. Again, this one is a little different than my other ones in the past, because we didn't get into neurology or energy budget or hormones or light or the rules or anatomy or physiology. We didn't get into any of that. It was literally just, here's the move, here's what I call it, here's how to execute it, here's every variation, here's the progression that you would take, bingo. And then you go. And so this is the what's that you would apply to all the hows and whys from the other 11 workshops that I've provided, from nourishment to mental health to relationships to training, muscle, to book edits, to calf jump Spinal Hygiene. Even in those, the calf jump Spinal Hygiene wasn't how to execute them more so. It was why and how you would ever want to do these. And so we got into like all the nerdy stuff and all the bases, because if you understand that, then you understand the what's. The what's become very clear. So I just wanted to kind of make this learning curve a little shorter, and then you go in and then you expose your learning curve within the things that I've cherry picked over 25 years that I'm still using to this day. So I'm kind of exhausted. I just trained for 2.5 hours. I normally don't do that, but I think it was a good one. It was different. It was less mentally taxing, because usually in the other ones we're going deep into stuff and it costs more mentally. This was more physical. So, and that's an energy budget deal. That's in the relationship Zoom. That's going to be in the light Zoom that I'll do next year at some point, and rest Zoom workshop to add to the library. Email me, let me know. Appreciate all who attended. Oh, and if you are familiar with my book that I published, some of the movements that are in there. All of them will be covered in the 3-part series, but some of them from the upper body standpoint were covered in this. And I haven't done that in the past. So if anybody's curious about what they look like, reach out. All right. Talk to you guys soon.